The Bumper Tree from Steck Manufacturing Company solves the problem of holding bumper covers for repairing, sanding, and painting. The Bumper Tree features support arms that swivel to properly support any size or shape of bumper cover. Foam pads protect the bumper cover from sharp edges when heat is used for curing. Bumper covers are quickly mounted to the Bumper Tree with chains that make it fast to attach and easy to adjust. You're now ready to repair, sand, mask, and paint the bumper cover. Painting on the Bumper Tree is truly its best feature, as you have easy access to the front, sides, and back of the bumper cover. You can tilt the Bumper Tree to get inside openings and underneath the cover where it's difficult, if not impossible, to get proper paint coverage. Tilting the Bumper Tree can also chase away a paint run that's trying to mess up your nearly finished job. You can move the Bumper Tree with parts attached by lifting one end and rolling it out of the way. The fender and long bumper cover kit is an attachment for the Bumper Tree that allows you to attach large and long bumper covers, such as found on some Ford and Mercury products. You can also attach and paint a fender with this kit. This fender and long bumper cover kit is sold separately. The Bumper Tree is not only the best tool, but the best value for your bumper cover painting needs. The Bumper Tree from Steck Manufacturing Company.